So now that you've got this piece made, you want to prepare this by scoring it. Again, you want it to be right exactly across from the spout, up near the top, and you only want this scoring to be about the size of the piece that you're going to attach. So a little bit less area you're going to cover. You score that, wet the edge of the handle and score it. And then with the angle this way, so that the handle is pointing up, you're going to press that. Again, make sure that you're right across. Press it in with your fingers. Smooth all around the edges. Make sure you get a really nice, tight seal. You don't want to use a lot of water at this part because the clay sticks better to itself when it's a little bit dry like this. And we've got it scored and slipped in the center, so it's going to stay attached. Now at the top, you want to make sure and push a little bit up into that corner. The reason why you need to do that is because once you start pulling the handle, that's the place that's going to receive the most pressure, and it's going to want to pull away from the pot right there. So you really want to make sure that you've connected it at that point. And now once you've got it connected, you can just kind of taper it out a little bit again, and we're ready to pull the handle itself.